Hello, welcome back. Let's look at another example of drawing a histogram and using the graph to estimate data. So we have table which shows information about age of 80 teachers. So the first thing is to check the class weight. The first one is 10, the second one is 5, so that's enough to confirm class weight is unequal. So we need two more columns, class weight column and frequency density. Once you work out the class weight, it's simply the difference between the two numbers, 50 and 65. The difference is 15, 40 and 50, difference is 10 and so on. Divide each frequency by the class weight. That's the frequency density. Do it for all of them. Once you've done that, you need to make your own scale. The ages will be on the x-axis from 20 all the way to 65, but keep equal graduation of the scales. So we can have 20, 30, 40 all the way to 70. Again, check the biggest number on the frequency density, which is 4.4, and make the scale such that it will be at least more than half of the graph. I can go up in ones, 1, 2, 3, up to 5, and that is enough. And I must also understand what one small square represents. One square represents 0.1, because that 10 to make 1. Now is to start drawing a graph. 20 to 30, I'll raise the bar up to 2. 30 to 35, I'll raise the bar to 4.4. 30 and 35 is here. 35 to 40, raise the bar to 3.2. 40 to 50, raise the bar to 1.3. And 50 to 65, raise the bar to 65, 0.6. So this is how we'll present this on a graph using frequency density. So the histogram is drawn. Now the B part says, use the graph to estimate the number of teachers over 60 years. Like I said before, each bar from frequency density or histogram represented frequency. So if you're looking for 60 years and above, that is from this point all the way. So let's look at the area of this. That's what we are looking for. Now the weight of this is 5 and the height is 6. So to estimate, we're just looking for the area of this small bit. 5 times 0.6, and that will give us 3 teachers. So the estimate of teachers over 60 years is 3 teachers. If it were to be estimate of teachers below 60 years, we can still work out over 60 years and take 3 away from the total of what? The frequency. So you always look at it carefully where to calculate the area of the rectangle. Next slide, we're going to talk about problem solving histogram. How do you fill in both histogram and a table? Thank you very much. Look forward to the next lesson.